If you want to add Calendly to your Wix website so visitors can book time with you directly on your page, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. It's a simple way to make scheduling easier, look more professional, and save time by letting people book without back and forth messages. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to Event Types and choose the event you want to add to your Wix site. This is important because Calendly lets you embed specific booking pages, so pick the one that matches what you want visitors to schedule. After that, click Share. In the sharing options, select Add to Website. Calendly will now give you a few different display options, including Inline Embed, Popup Widget, or Popup Text. If you want the booking form to appear directly on the page, Inline Embed is usually the best choice. If you prefer a button or text link that opens the scheduler in a pop-up, you can choose one of the pop-up options instead. Once you select the style you want, copy the Calendly embed code. Now switch over to your Wix account and sign in if you aren't already. Open your website in the Wix editor, then go to the exact page where you want Calendly to appear. This could be a contact page, booking page, services page, or even your home page, depending on how you want visitors to interact with your business. In the editor, click Add Elements, which is usually shown with a plus icon. From there, select Embed Code, then choose Embed HTML. This is the section in Wix that allows you to place custom code onto your site. Next, click Enter Code. A box will appear where you can paste your Calendly embed code. Paste it in carefully, making sure you copy the full code from Calendly without missing any part of it. After pasting the code, click Update. At this point, your Calendly widget should appear inside the Wix page editor. You may need to resize the widget box so the calendar or booking interface displays properly. Make it wide enough and tall enough so visitors can view the scheduler without it feeling cramped. If needed, drag the corners or adjust the element size until it looks clean on the page. Once everything looks good in the editor, preview your site to make sure the embed is working correctly. Test it on desktop and, if possible, on mobile too, because you want your visitors to have a smooth booking experience on every device. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish in Wix to make the changes live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your Wix site. Now your visitors can book appointments, consultations, calls, or meetings directly from your website with just a few clicks. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.